error handling. So you can, if you are not specifying any error for the error handling, it will automatically detect and it will be handled by the errors. The most example is if you are running if you are running anything in a browser, if that error will be not shown to the users in a normal player, separate in two works. First you must install your AR installer and then you can install your AR package. Now it will be combined into one single native installer. If you are a Windows, the install package.exe file. If you are a Mac system, DLG file. So that's the option. And native process API is you can communicate with our native applications, and we can launch the native application and then communicate with the native applications. And database transaction save point. What is meant by database transaction save point means if you are using a SQLite, it's existing, we are adding a special method with the existing API. Already there in SQLite communication classes is already there, and they are adding a new method to roll back and save the save points. So that's the option. And screen reader support. This is only supports in the Windows only. So yeah, can work with the screen reader and to read the screens. And printing enhancements. Printing enhancements, it's a simple adding features with the printing API. ID settings, URL request. For example, this feature is if you are using a HTML loader or a URL loader, you are not hit any in mouse or keyboard, so you can detect from 5 seconds to 86,000, and that means 1 day you can detect a timeout period. So that's the option. Increase the maximum size in native window. Before that, in YAR 1.5.3, there is a 2880 into 2880 resolution screen size. Now it is improved, increased into 4960 into 4960. So yes, we can show in maximum size of screen size. And file promise is download your remote files, your dropped locations. It automatically downloads the files from the remote locations without any additional works. It's a simple thing, just cool thing. Just pick it out and drag it from your application and just put it in needed locations. So and multi-touch events. So multi-touch events is handle your multi-touch things. IME API is nothing but an input method editor. It's a special flash text engine to load your flash text and show the languages controls like that. It's improved text field for the your applications. The native runtime installer, it is same to your equal to the previous one, the package YAR installer. You can create a native installer for a Linux also. So improved IPv6 support. IPv6 before that we IPv4 only they are supporting. So now we are adding IPv4 is 20 years old formatting addressing techniques. So we can now the YAR2 supports IPv6 also. So now we are going to the beta 2 features. So there is no major big differences from beta 1. They are just adding and improve the existing additional just print Java enhancement they are adding more functions like paper positions, paper size, and colors. If you want to print black and white, so like that properties and methods add with the existing print API. And TLS, I've just already told about the new network supports. So just improve the existing supports and flash access support. This is if you can play protected managed control in a flash access support. So that's a previous one I'm already told. So these are the main features in YAR 2. Okay. So now the show time. So there are many features in YAR 2. So I'm just picking out some planets from this galaxy. So these are the galaxy just shown about in demo. So first we will look at about the open document with the user's default applications. I'll show you the application. Okay. Hello. Okay. This code explain about open with native API. So this is a code. This is a part of a code from my application, and I'll show you in application. Here is the application. Just first run the application. So I'm just select some files from